Get ready to dive into the world of luxury and reliability with our top 10 most reliable used Porsches. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, these machines offer the perfect blend of performance and dependability. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman. Sleek, stylish, and boasting a performance that'll leave you breathless, this beauty is more than just a pretty face. With around 16 cubic feet of cargo space, it defies the odds of practicality for a sports car, making it a versatile choice for everyday use. But what about reliability? Well, according to consumer and expert reviews, the 2022 Cayman earns its stripes with a solid build quality and respectable dependability. So if you're in the market for a thrilling ride that doesn't compromise on reliability, the 718 Cayman might just be your perfect match. Number 2. 2013 Porsche Cayman. Next up, we have the 2013 Porsche Cayman, a powerhouse SUV that's as capable off-road as it is on the asphalt. Boasting a range of potent engines and a luxurious interior, the Cayman is the epitome of versatility. But what about its reliability? Well, with an average yearly maintenance cost of $1,231, according to RepairPal, and solid consumer ratings, the 2013 Cayman proves that it's more than just a pretty face. Number 3. 2018 Porsche Macan. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV that handles like a sports car, look no further than the 2018 Porsche Macan. With its refined interior, improved infotainment system, and exhilarating performance, the Macan delivers a driving experience that's second to none. But what about reliability? Despite its turbocharged performance, the 2018 Macan boasts respectable reliability ratings, making it a solid choice for those seeking both thrills and peace of mind on the road. Number 4. 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster. Now let's turn our attention to the 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster, a convertible sports car that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Despite initial skepticism from Porsche purists, the 718 Boxster has proven itself as a worthy successor to its predecessors. With excellent consumer ratings and a price range that won't break the bank, the 2021 Boxster is a compelling option for those seeking open-top thrills without compromising on reliability. Number 5. 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster. Continuing the legacy of its predecessors, the 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster combines performance with practicality in a sleek and stylish package. With its peppy engines, high-end amenities, and spacious seats, the 718 Boxster is more than just a weekend toy. It's a reliable companion for everyday adventures. So, if you're in the market for a convertible sports car that's as dependable as it is exhilarating, the 2018 Boxster ticks all the right boxes. Number 6. 2016 Porsche 911R. Prepare to be dazzled by the 2016 Porsche 911R. A special edition model that's sure to set your pulse racing. With its naturally aspirated engine and manual transmission, the 911R delivers a driving experience that's pure, unadulterated fun. And despite its rarity and high price tag, the 911R boasts solid reliability ratings, making it a worthy investment for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 7. 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T Coupe. For purists who crave the thrill of the open road, the 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T Coupe delivers in spades. With its lightweight construction, sharp steering, and blistering performance, the Carrera T is a driver's car through and through. And with solid reliability ratings to boot, it's a sports car that's as dependable as it is exhilarating. Number 8. 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S. For those who demand nothing but the best, the 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S is in a league of its own. With its monstrous power, advanced technology, and impeccable build quality, the Turbo S is the ultimate expression of Porsche's engineering prowess. And with stellar reliability ratings, it's a supercar that's as reliable as it is breathtaking. Number 9. 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS. If speed is your drug of choice, The 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS is sure to satisfy your cravings. With its mind-boggling performance and track-focused design, the GT2 RS is a force to be reckoned with on the road and the track. And despite its extreme nature, it boasts solid reliability ratings, making it a supercar that's as dependable as it is exhilarating. Number 10. 2015 Porsche 911. Last but certainly not least, we have the iconic 2015 Porsche 911, a legend in the world of sports cars. With its timeless design, exhilarating performance, and everyday usability, the 911 is the epitome of automotive excellence. And with solid reliability ratings, it's a sports car that's as reliable as it is thrilling to drive. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 most reliable Porsches to buy used. From the iconic 911 to the versatile Cayman, these cars have earned their place in automotive history as trusted companions on the road. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.
Skoda has built a reputation for creating reliable, spacious, and affordable vehicles, but which ones are the best of the best? Today, we're diving into the top 10 Skoda cars ever made, exploring what makes each model unique and why they've earned their spots on this list. Number 10. Skoda Citigo e-i-fi. Kicking off our list is the Citigo e-i-fi, Skoda's first fully electric car. Powered by a 61-kilowatt electric motor, it can charge from 0 to 80% in just 1 hour using a 7-kilowatt power wall. Despite some criticism for its cheap build materials, the Citigo e-i-fi stood out with its affordable price tag of around $20,000. It offered generous interior space and nimble handling, making it a perfect choice for city driving. Number 9. Skoda Superb. Launched in 2001, the Skoda Superb is a spacious family car that has evolved through 3 generations. The current model, introduced in 2015, uses the MQB platform, making it light yet impressively stable on the road. With a vast interior and a trunk that can handle plenty of luggage, it's an excellent choice for families. A fun detail is the Rolls-Royce-inspired umbrella compartment hidden in the front door, adding a touch of luxury to this practical vehicle. Number 8. Skoda Yeti. The Skoda Yeti, a crossover SUV, combines elements from the Octavia and Fabia Scout models. Its boxy design might be polarizing, but it's undeniably practical, offering agile performance and SUV styling without the bulk of a traditional 4x4. Perfect for drivers seeking a versatile vehicle with a unique look, the Yeti has a character all its own. Number 7. Skoda Karoq. Introduced in 2017, the Skoda Karoq is a mid-size crossover SUV that emphasizes quality and space. Sharing its MLB platform with luxury models like the Porsche Macan, the Karoq features upscale materials, advanced technology, and multiple engine options. Its flexible seating allows for extra cargo space, making it a versatile choice for both business and leisure. Number 6. 2020 Skoda Octavia Estate. Known for its practicality, the 2020 Skoda Octavia Estate is a standout model that's affordable, easy to maintain, and available with a range of 5 fuel-efficient powertrains. Inside, the minimalist design and spacious layout make it a favorite among those who value function over flash. The modern touch-sensitive controls and responsive infotainment system add to its appeal. Number 5. Skoda Kodiaq. Designed for large families, the Skoda Kodiaq is a 7-seat SUV that has been popular since its debut in 2016. With 5 engine options and a balanced, smooth drive, the Kodiaq offers a solid blend of space, comfort, and reliability. The 2021 update brings back the sporty VRS version, adding more excitement to the lineup. Number 4. 2021 Skoda Octavia. The 2021 Octavia leads the 4th generation of this beloved nameplate, aiming to challenge the class-leading VW Golf. With more cargo space and a sleek, modern interior, the Octavia offers a fresh alternative to its Volkswagen cousin. It features a customizable 10.25-inch digital cockpit and Skoda's digital assistant, Laura, for a tech-savvy driving experience. Number 3. Skoda Enyaq iV. Launched in 2020, the Enyaq iV is Skoda's take on the VW ID.4, featuring the same tech and powertrains. Available in two trims with either 62 kilowatt-hours or 82 kilowatt-hours batteries, the Enyaq iV stands out with its modern design, spacious interior, and affordability. The large 13-inch infotainment screen and easy-to-use controls make it a strong contender in the EV market. Number 2. Skoda Fabia. Since its debut in 1999, the Skoda Fabia has become a symbol of Skoda's success in Europe, selling over 4.5 million units. Now in its fourth generation, the Fabia combines style and practicality, featuring hidden surprises like an umbrella in the driver's door and an ice scraper in the fuel filler lid. With thoughtful touches like a rearview mirror USB charger and a heated steering wheel, the Fabia continues to impress. Number 1. Skoda Superb Estate. Topping our list is the Skoda Superb Estate, known for its incredible practicality. This spacious vehicle can comfortably seat 5 adults with plenty of room left for cargo. The premium interior, combined with a smooth, refined ride, makes the Superb Estate Skoda's best model yet. While it lacks an electric variant, its efficient engines and thoughtful design keep it at the top of the list. There you have it, the top 10 Skoda cars ever made. From the innovative Citigo e-iV to the versatile Superb Estate, Skoda has consistently delivered vehicles that combine practicality, style, and value. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. See you in the next one.